I just did a video showing how to do a screen capture let's make a tutorial using 3D Paint and Snagit. So you can see that other video on YouTube. But now what I want to do is I want to show you how that we can have two items that we can put together with Moviemaker. And so what we're going to do here is we already have the video that I just did a moment ago. Let's make a tutorial. We've got that. And the next thing that we're going to do is we are going to take a picture of this screen. And that'll be the second piece that we'll put along with the video to make a video with Moviemaker. This time with Snagit, we are going to do an image capture though. So let's click to image. Once again, check out my settings. I want you to click capture, and then let's just get a screenshot of this. And then what's going to happen is, let's go back to this other side. It's going to show the picture that I just made. And there are ways to mark up the picture. I'm really not interested in doing that. But what I want to do is I want to save this. This will probably save as a JPEG. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take this JPEG and we're going to splice it with the video that we already made in the other video with Moviemaker. So stay tuned for a moment. We already made a screen capture video, and then we took a screen capture picture. So I want to show you how to splice these together in Moviemaker. So let's click on Moviemaker, and then we're going to create a new project, and then we are going to add a clip. This is where I'm going to cut the video off for just a second because I'm not going to show you all the video files on my computer. But what you do is find the video, let's make a video, and then find the photo, let's make a photo, and put those together in Moviemaker. I'm going to put those in, and then I'll kind of show you what happens from there. So the last thing I want to show you how to do is how to take the video that we made and the picture that we made and splice them together using Moviemaker. This is Moviemaker Pro, and you might be able to see this at the top. It says Moviemaker 10 free, but it is Moviemaker Pro. I paid the little extra to get the extra whistles and bells. So let's take a look at this. I did not show you how to import these items into Moviemaker because I couldn't do it without taking you through all of my personal stuff. This first one right here, this is the video, then this is the picture. So let's take a look at it and let's let it play. I do want to make a tutorial though. Let's make a tutorial. There we go. And it'll automatically pan through the picture that we took. Now, one of the things that we might do is we might click on transition and then fade so that whenever it goes to the picture, it'll have a kind of a point of demarcation. Let's try it one more time. I do want to make a tutorial though. Let's make a tutorial. There we go. And that didn't really show a fade. Let's do something that's a little bit more obvious. How about a wind? Let's see what happens there. I do want to make a tutorial though. That's in the wrong place. Let's make a tutorial. Okay, we'll get it right here in just a second. That didn't work. What happened is I put the wave over in the first portion. We want it in the second portion. So hold on a second. let's go with transition and let's make the wave here. And can we undo? No transition. Yes, let's try this once more. I do want to make a tutorial though. Let's make a tutorial. There we go. Nice. Okay, that shows the picture that we put in. Okay, the last step is to save the video. I don't save the project, but I do pick full HD and I max out the quality and I make the movie. And so click on this and save it. It's going to save as an MP4. This will be uploadable to YouTube. And that, friend, is how you use Moviemaker to splice things together that you did with 3D Paint and Snagit to make a video. There are 2 videos in this series. The first one is on 3D Paint and Snagit, and then the second one is how to use Moviemaker. That's this one. Keep going. Keep up the good work.